Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about the Primus Paw titanium stove stand. I was looking for a stand for my MSR Whisper Light Universal because the legs, when they're spread open, they don't stay open sometimes, and the stove's kind of slightly unstable with the hose coming out of it and so forth. Because when you got the tank on there and you tip it, the stove will sometimes flip with the tank and various stuff. And, you know, I looked at various options. I looked to see what MSR had. I also looked to see what if I could find other solutions and what other companies might have. Or there used to be a company that sold little plate boards that you could mount one of the stove to, but that company seems to have stopped selling them. It was UCO, the same people that make the candle lanterns, which is kind of sad because they looked really, really nice. I would have bought one. But I looked at the MSR stand. They have a little stand that folds up, and it was made of stainless steel. I was thinking, well, does anybody make a titanium one? And I got to looking, and it turns out Primus makes a titanium stove stand. And it's similar to the MSR one, and it folds up, but it's a lot lighter, and it actually looked like it was better made for the stove. Another thing I noticed about it is that it looked like it would work with other stoves, not just Primus's stove. So it would work on the MSR, but also looks like it would work on, say, if you had a stand-up tank isobutane stove, with the screw-on head that just goes on the top. So that's what we got, and we're gonna show you what what it looks like and so forth. As you can see here, there's a I've got it laying flat on the silver thing. It basically goes into the little corners. There's little flat parts where the legs will slide into, and then there's a little indentation, and it just kind of pops in there. The stove folds flat. You'll see the little hinges, and it just folds up, and it's really, really nice. Anyways, I highly recommend it. It works really good. It keeps the stove stable on the ground, and it works as advertised. We generally recommend things that work as advertised and work well. So and there's a lot of products out on the market that just don't work at all. And they're all hype and whatnot, or they bend the truth a little bit to what they, how useful they are. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully this information is useful to you. It's a good stand, and I highly recommend it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.